What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. You don't know, say the attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, my people. And I mean say attack. Some viewers and subscribers, right about now, my people, me I tell you, say, boy, Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. Sad news right here now. Because, my people, you know, say, the other day, right? Them say, August the 11th, 2022, you have this correctional officer, my people, who goes by the name of Shannon David Briscoe, my people. And them say, him went missing. You understand? So, the last time them see my people are somewhere in a halfway tree, where them say in the evening, them are run some taxi and thing in the look evening, night hours, them my people. See? And from this and now, my people, him went missing. Them try call him phone, them not get it. You understand? So, he was listed as a missing person upon the missing person list. You know what I mean? Where the Jamaica Constabulary Force that posted, family members been posted, and everybody, my people, hoping for the best, you understand, to find them loved one. Alright. My viewers and my subscribers, and sadly to say, from I saw this thing, my people, me I say your boy NEWLINK, you know, it's the one that look like we are got some sad news, my people. Me now wish sad news or me now wish bad news, my people. But when me see it, that comes to my mind. Me say attacking boss, you know, say it look like we are gonna have sad news, it like we are gonna have bad news. You know what I mean? Because this don't look good. See? So remember, you know, my people, he went missing from August 11, 2022, my people. See? But in the end, my people, today right now, August the 13th, which is 2 days after, them stairs a boom, and they make a search of people. And they found his car abandoned earlier, my people, in a part in a trench town. Remember, you know, my people, the last part where them see him was somewhere in a halfway tree. His original address where him live, my people, is in Seaview Garden. Them find him car abandoned in a, alright. Them stairs a boom, and some part somewhere in a town, my people, they found his credit card, my people. See? Yeah, them notify him bank and this and that, my viewers and subscribers. But news struck, my people. Up now upon the Saturday now, my people. August the what? 13, 2022, my people. Sadly, they found this youth body, my people, in a one gully. Zin? Yes! Sadly, my viewers and subscribers. So them say, in a Seaview Gardens, my viewers and subscribers, them find him body in a one gully, don't they? Yeah. The youth gone, my people. Him gone. All them family, past worker, supervisor, every one of them is mourning the loss of this youth, my people. See? Young look youth just in the early 30s, my people. Eh? Them see a look at taxi him running on my people. Man I try hustle a bread. Him have 2 youth. Him gone left him 2 youth. Him have him baby mother. Gone left for my people. See? All the man them are yard cruel and wicked so and vicious so. Eh? What? You don't have no difference, you know. You don't have no look of problem, you know. Zin? You understand, but
hi guys, so here I am back with my finishing product. So this is my sweet and sour chicken. So guys, so I'm giving you a 360 turn right here. So yes.
viewers, subscribers, not the first me I go talk about the channel, but remember me there and me I do it again because my viewers and my subscribers, you see Mama J cooking channel, I'm recommending it to you all again, my viewers and subscribers, and I'm asking you all to please go over there and support Mama J channel because people, you don't know say I mean name NEWLINK. I'm not tell a lie people, she teach me how to cook, she teach me how to blend the juices them, and me I tell her say Mama J cooking channel are the realest channel. So I'm asking you, all my viewers and subscribers, please, it's just easy, you know, check below in the description or check in the comment section for the link, and please go over there and learn to cook something we never cooked before, because I can't tell these people Mama J cooking channel is the #1. Please go over there and do a subscribe. Thank you. You know, something like this now, on a real level, yo. On a real level. Eh? On a feeling on yourself now, if you do something like this. The man now, 38 years old, as me tell the people, correctional officer. Zin, the man, you know, them say man just a look hustling, running a look taxi, trying to make a look bread. Eh? And see them people, them gone, them take him out. The people, we in a war zone in the yard. Zin, and nobody not safe in the yard, my people. Nobody not safe. Because anything or anyone, my people, the man them a take out them 3 points. If you don't notice, my people. Yo, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Eh? Just imagine now, this man family are waiting on my people. Have them plans that come forward, you know. And this is what they did to him, my viewers and subscribers. Them take the man, them rob him basically, take away car, take away look money out of wallet, my people. Everything them take. And then do what my people can go dash in a gully. See? Seaview, him living on my people, Seaview, him living on. You understand me people? What them say them find him? Na Seaview. See? In a Seaview. They say them find him. One thing I can tell my viewers and subscribers. You see this world, yeah? Crazy things are going, crazy things are happening. You know? And honestly, my people, I just don't know. Them sitting here, I feel it, my people, because me just don't know, like, we just live, eh? Why? What's the cause or why the reason why mankind have to be behaving like this, my people? Why mankind can't just live good with them brothers and sisters, my people? Why we can't just live as one? Me understand, so we may have our arguments, we may have our differences, them, my people. You may say something where me not agree with my people and we fall out, but in the end, does it worth it on a real level? Eh? Does it worth it? The man them take the man, my people, and take the man and go fling him down in a gully. Take out him 3 points, dash him down in there. Eh? When he come out with them close family, them say, come, my people, she nearly faint. When she look at him body, my people, she nearly faint. She can't believe. Nobody, none of them, they not expect to hear something like this, people, because them says a youth, him not get trouble, he not make problem. You understand? It's not a youth with them knowing a problem and this and that with people. It's a man who try to make him honest bread. And that's why stays a woman and do him look a taxi thing, my people. And basically maybe going to take up one bad one, my people. One satanic one, and satanic one comes a woman link up the other one, my people, and then plan it. And this is what they did. Eh? But I want to make answer people, time is the master. It's time. Pure wickedness done a yard. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, oh my world, oh my patience, NEWLINK. Pure wickedness and crueltiness. Mankind. Jaja, my people. Big up on yourself. More love, more blessings, and more respect. And I thank you all for the love and for the support. But one thing I can say, my viewers and my subscribers, these are the final days, my people. I said over and over, but on a real level, my people, these are the final days we are living in. And no joke about it, my people. Yeah, man, these are the final days. No, sir. Walk good and stay safe and just continue to do the right thing. Peace out. Blessings. Greetings, my people. You don't know, so the attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So I'm saying to you all, my viewers and subscribers around the world, anyone a day, Jamaica all over. See? So me personally, being a YouTuber, you know what I mean, professionally YouTuber, covering stories and things, going almost 5 years now, my people. And throughout this journey, I'm telling you, I've achieved so much, and I thank you all for the love and for the support. See? But personally, and what I really want to thank you for, my people, is the one them who always and stand out. I'm thanking everybody, you know, but it's especially the one them who always support my back to school treat that I keep. Because for the past 4 years, people, I've been keeping this thing, you understand, in Jamaica. And this year, 2022, my viewers and subscribers, I definitely want to push out more. I want to reach out more. See? So I am going to definitely keep my back to school treat in Jamaica. but I'm also spreading my wings into another country, my viewers and subscribers, and trying to help out some less fortunate. So last year was the first time we take on the thing where we are going to do the back to school treat, because normally we just skip the back to school treat and that's it. So last year we take it on where we feed the homeless and also keep a back to school treat in St. Anne, Jamaica. This year, my people, I'm focusing on my back to school treat in Jamaica, but I'm spreading the wings into another country, my people, where I'm going to help some less fortunate. And all I'm asking you to do, my people, is to please be a part of this. Join in and support me with this movement for September 2022, my viewers and subscribers around the world. Because you never know, the little that you can do today, my people, you don't know how much it can benefit somebody for tomorrow. And all you have to do, just do it from your heart. And this is what I always say. Whatever I do, my viewers and subscribers, I do it from my heart. So I'm asking you all, please join in and support this movement. Donate to this thing, my people. Link up the attacking boss. You understand? You want to call me and link me up. You want to just take the PayPal. Check below in the description, my viewers and subscribers, for the PayPal link and make a donation. When you're making this donation, just please write, say, this is for the back to school treat, and then we can know, say, yo, this fund is for the back to school treat, and people, 1,100%, it will go towards the NEWLINK back to school treat 2022, my people, and to feed the people in another country. We're doing this for people. We are spread the wing and be a part of this mission. You don't know, my viewers and subscribers, thank you all for the love and for the support. We are doing that area. Thank you all. Support the movement.